Today's walkthrough video, it's going to be our Ranger 1760 MPV. This model comes with the famous Ranger trailers with the swing tongue, extra large tires, load guides. This unit is powered by an Evinrude ETEC 50 horsepower. As you can see, the MPV models is a very wide beam. Let's go inside and check her out. The entire flooring is in aluminum. There's absolutely not one single piece of wood in this boat, including the transom. Lots of storage. Perfect boat for your hunter and your fisherman. Upgraded camel seats. Live well, auto bilge, capacity of 5 people. For more information, please contact us at Orleans Boat World or check out our website. Thank you.